Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the construction progress of my Revell 1-48 A-10 Warthog, or A-10 Thunderbolt 2. It has two names. It's right here. Let's zoom in on it. As you can see here, the reason why it's painted in green is because I want Norris to play hog. Now, all the gluing and painting is complete on this thing. Now, the next thing I need to do is decal and hang her up. Yes, the next thing I have to do is decal this thing and hang this thing up. My proposed location is between my C-17 and F-86. Along with that, I rearranged my models a little bit. I found no sense in recording. And as you can see here, my models are rotating because of a vent right here. And my B-17 is out of place at the moment because the wind blew it. While my B-29 up there is shaking because of the air coming out of the vent there. And that's a turbulence effect. It happens for most of my models up there. I'm not worried about a thing right now with my models. And the last thing I want to do is move my B-29, because that was a pain to hang, as you probably know. And let's see what else. I got my other F4 Phantom over there somewhere. There it is. I'm going to zoom in on it. I'm going to build her up someday. And along with that, I have two zeros here. And my intention is to make a diorama of some kind. As for this zero right here, I'm purposely not going to finish it because I want to make it a wreck of a diorama, or a wreck diorama. I want to make it. Other than that, I have another zero here, which I was able to afford, luckily. And I was lucky to get this one because they sold out in a hurry. Yes. And I do plan on working on multiple kits, and I can do it, believe it or not. And look, this zero here, it's also going to be on a diorama. Now, axis planes I do not put on my ceiling. Though they're all 1-48, there's only one 1-72 model there, which is the Spitfire. The total outsider of all the models, because its brand is different. Every one of them is Revell, and their scale is 1-48. Now my Airfix 1-72 Spitfire, on the other hand, it's the total outsider of all the models on my ceiling. However, the pilots of these models have been treating the Spitfire with care, and they're amazed of what it could do. Along with that, let's see what else we got. Well, the air conditioning is on at the moment, and my models are being blown around, as you can see. And I'll show you a sample diorama. It's right here. Now, I made this diorama for a reason. It's to show you that safety has no time to quit. Plus, parts were missing, so I'm like, I might as well make this a diorama. Which I did anyway. other than that, I'm going to try to get some decals on that thing right here, and I shall hang her up someday. See you around. Goodbye.